My name is Holly Jones. I am a horticulturist, event rental, and social media coordinator at UT Gardens, Knoxville. So as a horticulturist, I work in the gardens doing hands-on horticulture, so taking care of plants, and then also managing people, so our student workers, and are sometimes working with our volunteers. And then also, as a horticulturist, I write for our magazine. For my other two roles, for event rentals, I help people that want to have events or parties here at the garden, get them set up. And then as social media coordinator, I manage all of the content for our various social media outlets. So I got a bachelor's degree in plant sciences with a focus in public horticulture. During my education here, I got an internship here at this garden, and that's what really helped me realize that I wanted to work in a public garden. I also took a gap year in college, and I just took some time off to work, and I got a job working on a high-end landscaping crew, and we worked at private estates doing gardening, and that's where I kind of had that aha moment doing that hands-on work. I realized that that's what I wanted to go into for a career. I chose public horticulture because I love working with plants, and I feel like I need to be outside as part of my work. I want to be outside in nature, and then I see the importance of the connection between plants and people, and I want to help foster that and help other people be more connected with nature and be gardeners and work with plants and feel their connection to nature. I consider the garden to be like a living classroom, and the work that I do as a horticulturist kind of sets the stage for organic learning for our visitors. So we create these beautiful gardens, they're functional, and people come here and they just naturally ask questions, and they do research, and they learn more, and so it really is like a living classroom. Yeah, so what do I like best about my job? I would say I like the creativity the best. You know, taking photographs for content for social media, like all that creative stuff I really enjoy. And then I also really value and enjoy being paid to research something that I'm passionate about. And I get that opportunity here when I have to do a presentation or I have to make a new garden design. The physical aspect of it can be challenging, so just finding a balance, you know, being able to find the balance of doing some physical work because that's healthy and it feels good, but then finding other ways to be productive and make a contribution that are not quite so physical, just to try to find a healthy balance there. I would tell college students who are interested in a career similar to mine to get as many internships as possible, to take advantage of any opportunity you can find to go actually work in person doing all these different kinds of jobs, because just, you know, doing the work is really the best way to learn whether or not you like it, and if you're good at it, it's also going to get you connections that could possibly end up with a job for you when you graduate. I've been working in the green industry for 20 years now, and it's extremely satisfying life work, and I'm excited to think about new people coming in and bringing their energy and contributions and helping to conserve our resources and helping to teach other people to care about nature and to enrich their lives through their relationship with nature.